Every coding agent on the market shares the same hidden cost. The tool itself is free to download, but the models powering it require an API key or subscription plan, rapidly draining $20 to $50 a month from your wallet. There is a practical way around this. It is called OmniRoute, a free, open-source AI gateway that you run entirely on your own local machine. This diagram illustrates exactly how OmniRoute operates. It pulls together the free tier allowances from over 90 different AI providers, aggregating them into a massive central pool that yields around 1.6 billion free tokens per month. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to install this gateway, connect a provider that charges nothing, and send our first prompt without spending a single cent. If you already have Node.js and your preferred coding agent installed, you have everything required to bypass enterprise API paywalls entirely. Step 1 is installation. Open your terminal in any holder and run npm install -g OmniRoute. The -g flag ensures the tool is available globally anywhere on your system. Once installed, type OmniRoute and press enter. This single command boots up your local server and generates a dashboard URL, which routes to localhost on port 20128. Note that this terminal window must remain active. If you close it, your local server will sever the connection and drop offline immediately. Open that local host address in your web browser. You will hit a login screen. The default password is the phrase "change me," all lowercase. Type that in to access your dashboard. Because this server lives entirely on your hardware, there is strict privacy built in. There is no telemetry, and every API key you add stays encrypted entirely on your own local disk. Running a local server means no external company is sitting between you and your AI requests. You retain total ownership of your prompt history. To start pooling our free tokens, navigate to the Providers tab on the left side of the dashboard and apply the Free Tier filter. Scroll down until you locate the specific Open Code provider. Click the Add Account button right next to it. You might expect a prompt for a credit card here. These specific free tiers require absolutely no authentication, meaning no cards and no API keys to activate. With one click, we have organized raw, scattered internet access into a structured enterprise-grade AI pipeline that is ready for our coding agent. Now we need to build the communication bridge between our newly established local OmniRoute server and the Open Code client application. Open the Settings menu inside Open Code, navigate to your provider list, and select the Custom Provider option. As shown, we are mapping the local server to the client. Copy the base URL from OmniRoute's endpoints page and paste it into OpenCode. Next, generate a dummy API key in OmniRoute and paste it into OpenCode to secure the local handshake. By pointing the base URL to our local machine, we are tricking the coding agent. It thinks it is securely connected to a premium paid service, completely bypassing external authentication checks. The final configuration step requires assigning a specific model ID to the OpenCode client. Typing a generic model name like Claude into this field will break the connection instantly. The system requires exact precision. Go back to the OmniRoute dashboard, copy the exact text string of the model ID provided under your active account, and paste that specific string into OpenCode. Let's run a test. Open your chat window. Select the newly added model from your drop-down list and send a basic greeting. The agent will process the prompt for a moment and then successfully return a clean text response directly into your editor. Receiving this first response validates our entire setup. The zero-cost local pipeline is fully operational. Your data just completed a full round trip, leaving your machine, routing to a free provider, and returning to your editor. The stretch goal is to return to the dashboard and add dozens of free providers, granting you access to a wide array of premium models. This diagram shows OmniRoute's auto fallback strategy. If a provider hits a quota limit, the system silently switches to a backup to complete the task. Managing this back-end complexity makes external limits completely invisible during an active coding session. Instead of manually juggling a dozen free tier accounts, you are managing one powerful local endpoint.